Y'all, this year has been so good to us. We have traveled somewhere every single month this year. I am so grateful. I'm so happy I could bring y'all along with me. I am so freaking grateful, y'all. It's been so fun this year. You know, next year, we're going to be traveling more and more and more because we like to go places. And you know what? It's going to be a lot of solo trips too, right? Right. But you know what I need? Some new luggage because I've been running my luggage down. My luggage has been pulled around these airports, thrown up in these overheads, waiting for it at baggage claim. You know, things get crazy. But guess what we got today? We got some new luggage. I'm excited because we deserve it, y'all. Let me show you what we got. I'm so excited to show y'all our new luggage. And I want to thank Luggex so much for sponsoring this video. Isn't she pretty? She's so sleek. Look at her. We're going to have to test her out. Doesn't she look good? She looks like exactly what we need on our trips, y'all. Y'all already know we take a lot of budget trips, and this would be so perfect. The carry-on of it all. This is the Luggex ZX 20-inch zipperless suitcase. I'm so excited, y'all. There's no zipper on this thing. Look at that. And then on top of that, it has the hard shell. Now, you know we need the hard shell when we're traveling because things be getting crazy out there in the travel world. We need something secure. The fact that it's a zipperless design, y'all, is so wild to me. What do you mean that I'm not going to have a zipper to zip this up and it's still going to be secure? I can't wait to show y'all. I like the way they have this TSA-approved locks. We need that. We want to keep our stuff secure, but we don't want to get in trouble at the airport for it. They also have these smooth spinner wheels, and we're about to test them out, y'all. Because we be in a rush when we travel, and we need to make sure that this thing can hold up with us. Can it hold up? Let's find out. Imagine I'm at the airport, y'all, and I'm just, you know, doing what I need to do. Look at this. Not just doing tricks with your luggage, but look, it stands up. It's not falling over like the other ones we be having. It's so smooth. I really love this. I really love this. I'm so excited they sent me this. This is really nice. Nicest luggage I ever had. But y'all already know the real test is how much stuff can we fit in this carry-on, because we be taking budget trips and we want to put all our stuff in the carry-on. We don't want to check no bags in. She's still smooth. Finna go test her out. Not she smooth on carpet, y'all. What? Like I said, the real test is how much stuff can I fit in that carry-on, because I be wanting to take carry-ons with me. I don't like waiting for checked luggage. We're about to find out. My guess is normally 2 weeks worth of clothes. So if I can get more than 2 weeks worth of clothes in there, y'all, we doing it. This is gonna be a good one, y'all. This is gonna be a good one. I believe in it. I believe in it. What about y'all? Yes? No? We finna find out. First, let's open it, y'all, because it does not have zippers, right? So let's see how we open this. Oh, this is nice. This is nice, y'all. You mean to tell me I can store a lot of stuff in here? What? You see the pockets? Y'all see the zippers? Let's talk about it. Before we start packing this, because I am very excited to see how much stuff it can fit, look at this. Did you see this? Look at the storage part. Okay, so number one, it has a little zipper pouch here. You can put something in here. I don't have to have an extra little Ziploc. I can just put my stuff in here. Let's open this part. And then this part is going to secure our clothes. This is sturdy too. Okay. I'm excited to use this. Okay, so once we pack our clothes in, we can secure our clothes with the little clip. Hey, I feel good about it. Just like that. And then on this side, you're saying, oh, this is nice. This is a nice little storage area. We're going to come back to this because guess what? It's a deep part inside, y'all. It's deep in here. You can fit the other side with all your clothes and things too, your shoes. This is pretty deep. This will fit a lot of stuff. Oh my God. I'm very excited to have this. Okay. They also have two little zippers up front, so you can put some more stuff up here. Oh, and one at the bottom. Hold on, I gotta unzip it, y'all. So we have 1, 2, 3 areas that we can put stuff in, and I think that this comes off, cause this is a hanger, right? Let's see. Oh my God, this luggage does everything. Oh my goodness. So you mean to tell me I could put all my bathroom essentials in here and just hang it in the bathroom? That's what I would use it for. I put like my toothpaste, toothbrush, my little face stuff in here, and I would hang it right there in the bathroom so it'd be easy for me to use in the morning. This is so cool. I'm excited about that. I'm excited. And you know what, y'all? It just clips. It clips inside. Let me bring y'all closer. Here's the inside. I pulled this off, right? There's a little clip right here. Let me show y'all. It's right here at the bottom. And you just clip this back on there. I don't know if y'all can see the clip, but look. You just clip it back on there. It's pretty darn easy. This cool. It does so much. Now we just gotta see how much it can pack. So this is 2 weeks worth of clothes, y'all. This is what I would pack for vacation. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3 outfits, 4, 5, 6, 7 outfits, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So y'all see this is 14 outfits. This is 4 pair of shoes. And it's gonna all fit in here. I believe it. So let's pack this and see if it all fits. I believe it can, y'all. And it's so sturdy. Like, girl, you got this. Let's find out. Okay, what side should we start on? This side? I'm gonna start on the deep side first. You know what? I'm gonna start on this side first because I like to put my shoes on this side. It'll probably be too much room. We could probably fit a month worth of clothes in here. Let's see. And I'm not even going to roll them up like I normally do with my backpack because, girl, you don't even need it. Look at this. You can put all 14 of them over here, huh? Seems like it. I'm just going to pack it in here loosely. Like, I'm not even going to do too much with it because I already feel like it's going to do good. Look at us. We can fit some extra stuff in here. You know when we packing and we just know that we need maybe just a few more outfits to bring just in case we don't like the ones we brought. You already know we be wanting that extra little couple of outfits. So 2 weeks, a month, whatever. Sometimes when we go on vacation for 2 weeks, we want a month's worth of clothes just to have options, right? Well, you can with this because we already filled this with the clothes. This is the last thing, y'all. The very last thing. Can you do it on just one side? Can you do it on just one side? Y'all, we haven't even used this side yet. This is already 14 days of clothes. What? Let me close this up. It's already ready. Y'all, look at this. That's 14 just on that side. And I didn't even roll it or anything. Let's put the shoes on this side. Like, really, you can bring like 8 pair at this point. Look at this. But this is going to leave you with enough room that you can also, you know, bring all your other stuff, your bathroom stuff, all of your essentials that you travel with. Because let me show y'all how much room we have left in here. We're just putting our shoes and our clothes in. We didn't put the underwear in, but there's plenty of room to do it. So here's the shoes and all the space we can add more stuff to. Plus this little area. Let's zip this up because this is done. Got it. And then this side that has 14 outfits in it, y'all. 14 regular outfits I would normally bring on my vacation just fits on this side. And I didn't even roll it up. I just laid it in there, y'all, just loosely. So let's close it up and see if it all works out. Don't let me forget to put this thing back in there so we can just kind of clip it. This is also securing the clothes, y'all. What? I'm trying to one-handed, y'all, but y'all get the picture. Use your right hand, girl. Look at there. Look at there. Let's close it up. I'm just going to close it. Let's close it on this side. There's no struggle or anything. And since it's a zipperless suitcase, y'all, all we doing is just clamping it closed. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. It's done. It's ready for us to go. And it looks so good, too. Look at this. Don't this look like me? Cute. The fact that it has all the room to pack your stuff, and then it's also like smooth when you're pulling it around at the airport, I feel good about it. You know what? This would be the perfect luggage for a cruise. You know we've been getting these really good deals on cruises lately, and we don't even need 14 days worth of clothes. Imagine taking this on the plane with you for your little 4 or 5 day cruise. You fit everything you want in that thing. You are. And even if you're not going on a cruise and you're taking you a little trip somewhere else, guess what? There's room for that too. If you're saying, Rosalind, we need that luggage, girl. Where can we get it? Don't worry. I have a link in my description and also a code, Rosalind20, that's going to save you 20% off your purchase. I got you, girl. Now that we got our luggage together, we got to start getting our trips together, y'all. We got to book all the trips for next year. But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Even the house, sometime before 3, Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We have
road
to.
speeds. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.